We did our project on reptiles. They belong to the phylum Reptilia and the class Chordata. Reptiles evolved from amphibians, but they have traits that separate them from amphibians. Reptiles have claws, scales, and they are cold-blooded. Reptiles have all of these traits, while amphibians do not. Reptiles have a backbone, they are covered in scales, and have bilateral symmetry.
Reptiles prefer to live in temperate and tropical environments. They are found all around the world in most countries except for colder areas. Reptiles are cold-blooded and aren't able to generate their own body heat, so you will often see them lying in the sun to get energy. They are like amphibians, so they are able to live on land and in the water. However, reptiles are more tolerable to living on land.
There are 4 orders of reptilia. There are the squamata, which includes lizards and snakes. These reptiles have rough, scaly skin. They mainly live on land. These reptiles have loosely connected jaws and can accommodate large prey. Most are carnivores.
The next order is Calonia, which is the turtles and tortoises. They generally live in water and are different from other reptiles because they have protected shells that encase and protect their bodies. Some can hide in their shells when they feel threatened. They don't have teeth, but they do have sharp beaks.
Another order is Rhynchophalia. This group only contains the Toradas. There are only 2 species of Toradas, and they are located in New Zealand. They are like lizards, but they are most active at low temperatures.
The last order is Crocodilia, which is the crocodiles and alligators. There are 25 species in this group. They are very aggressive carnivores, and unlike other reptile groups, they care for their young after hatching.
Some reptiles lay eggs while others give birth to live young. Most of these eggs are artificially incubated. Reptiles produce offspring in the same process that humans do. Male fertilizes the female, and the female bears a baby if it gives birth to live young until it is ready to be born. They lay eggs, and she lays the eggs and keeps the eggs protected until the eggs are ready to hatch.
One innate and unique ability they have is to regulate their body temperature. Their body temperature is solely based on their surroundings. If it's hot outside, then they will be warm, and if it is cold outside, then they will be cold.
Reptiles first evolved from amphibians about 320 million years ago. Reptile skulls have evolved a lot since then. 16 orders of reptiles are known to have existed, only 4 survive today. Turtles are the oldest type of reptile that still exists, and their skulls resemble those of the first reptiles. The second group to survive was the lizards and snakes, which comprise most of today's reptile population. The third group was Toradas, of which only 2 species survive today. Crocodiles and alligators appeared much later and have changed very little in the last 200 years.
There are lots of endangered species of reptiles, one of which is the golden coin turtle. This turtle is endangered because they are hunted for desserts. The population was also affected when people introduced the mongoose on islands in order to control the snake populations. They are only found on 2 islands in the world today.
Another is the Cuban crocodile. This species of crocodile found in Cuba is endangered because of habitat destruction and hybridization. Another species of endangered turtle is the Kemp's Ridley sea turtle. This sea turtle is very pretty, but is the smallest of all the sea turtles. Due to loss of habitat, pollution, and trappings in sea life harvesting nets, they are now endangered.
The Baja California legless lizard is a lizard that looks like a snake. This reptile is super cool, however, it is endangered due to road construction, urban development, and agricultural pesticides. Our last endangered species is the gharial. This is a really cool but scary looking and one of the largest types of crocodiles. These are native to northern India, and there are only a little over 200 left. They are accidentally trapped and drowned in fishing nets, but males are also hunted for properties found in their snouts.
Our unique species is the green sea turtle. The green sea turtle is a circular-shaped turtle, which are usually herbivores. These sea turtles are also now endangered. They're up to 5 feet wide and up to 700 pounds, which makes them the world's largest species of sea turtle. Like most sea turtles, they cannot hide their heads in their shells.